If you're trading off a single indicator flip, green means buy, red means sell, you're losing money. I don't care how clean it looks on the chart. Without momentum confirmation and proper risk management, you're handing capital to the market every time it chops sideways or fakes a breakout. I'm gonna show you a proof of concept using two indicators that filter out the noise and keeps you aligned with institutional momentum. This isn't theory. It's how you stop bleeding capital in the financial markets. The first tool is the sentiment range MA. It's not the typical moving average. This thing adapts to market conditions. When prices trending, it moves fast. When the market's chopping, it slows down and creates a buffer zone around itself. The buffer is critical. Most retail traders ignore it, and that's exactly why they get stop hunted in ranging conditions. On the chart, you'll see one clean line. When it's green, the market is showing bullish momentum. When it's red, bearish sentiment is in control. But here's where amateurs get destroyed. They see the color flip and they trade it immediately. They don't ask if the market has actual momentum behind the move. They just react, and the market punishes reaction without confirmation. There's also a third color we're adding, white. When the line turns white, the market is in a chop zone, no clear direction. This is the professional's edge. When price is here, you do nothing. Doing nothing is what keeps your account alive. The moment you start forcing trades in a ranging market, you're gambling. You're not trading. Now, why doesn't this indicator work alone? Simple. It doesn't tell you if the momentum is real or if it's about to get caught out in a head fake. In a choppy range market, it flips colors back and forth, giving you counter-trend signals that looks valid but have no follow-through. You enter, the market reverses, your stop gets hit, and you're down another chunk of capital. That's not bad luck, that's bad structure. So we adjust the settings. Length goes to 21. MA color stays green, red, and white. The white is your warning flag. It's the market telling you to sit on your hands. If you can't respect that signal, you're not ready to trade with real money. Now we bring in the second tool, the Elliot wave oscillator. This is a momentum filter. It's built from two simple moving averages, one fast, one slow. The difference between them creates a histogram that shows you whether the market has bullish or bearish momentum behind the current move. The default settings are garbage. We're changing SMA length 1 to 100. And SMA length to 200. In the style settings, change the histogram to green and red. Green columns means bullish momentum and red columns means bearish momentum. That's it. One glance tells you if the market has the energy to follow through. Here's how this works in practice. We're on XAU USD 15-minute time frame. The sentiment range MA Phillips green. It's identified a potential buy opportunity, but that does not mean we enter. We check the Elliot wave oscillator. If it's showing red columns, bearish momentum, that buy signal is a counter trend setup. We skip it. No hesitation, no second guessing. The market's telling you the path of last resistance is down and you're trying to buy. That's how account blowouts happen. Follow the chart. A few bars later, the sentiment range MA flips red. Now we check momentum. The Elliott wave oscillator is red. Bearish momentum confirmed. This is a valid signal. The market structure and momentum are aligned. Now we can talk about entry. Risk management comes first. Never risk more than 1% per trade and always set a stop loss. If the market turns against you, you cut the loss at a logical point. Your stop loss goes just above the sentiment range MA line or the recent swing high, whichever gives you a better, tighter, more logical invalidation point. And the take profit is set 1.5 times your risk. Simple math. If you risk 100, you're targeting $150. It keeps your reward to risk ratio in your favor over time. Back to the chart. Another buy signal appears. Momentum is still bearish, red columns on the oscillator. We skip it. No trade. The market's not ready to reverse and we're not here to predict. We're here to react to confirmation. A few bars later, another sell signal. Momentum is still bearish, valid signal. We take it. A stop loss above the line. Target 1.5 times risk. Clean, repeatable, professional. Now the sentiment range MA turns white. The market entered a sideways phase. This is the no trade zone. You do nothing here. Retail traders see this as waiting for breakout. Professionals see it as a protection from market manipulation and false breakouts. When the market's ranging, it's hunting stops on both sides. You don't want to be the liquidity. Another buy signal appears while the oscillator is still red. Skip it. Then a sell signal in the same bearish momentum environment. Valid, you take it. The strategy works across all the markets and timeframes because the price structure is universal. It scales from 1-minute charts to daily timeframes because support and resistance and market structure exist everywhere. Now if you want something even simpler, check out the recommended video on your screen. It breaks down the most straightforward scalping strategy you'll ever see. Go check it out now. Happy trading!